Hi, this is Gemini Third, and this is my first Instagram live. I've been on Instagram for ages, but thanks to Ruchi wanted to go live, and I said, let's do Instagram. We just went live on Facebook 2 days back. Hi, Tarang, welcome. So, I am new to Instagram live, but of course, I've been doing live for all my life for such a long time, and thank you for joining us. Thank you, Anju. Yes, welcome. So, you know what? Today we are going to do a live about how you can handle negative emotions in a relationship. And I will introduce myself in some time because there are a lot of new people joining in. Hi, Maggie. And hi, Ruchi. Ruchi, I would like you to send me a request so that I can accept you. Yes, so we will be figuring out how we can have Ruchi on here. And okay, there she is. She's already sent me a request. And let me live with Ruchi. Waiting for Ruchi to join us. And yes, a very hi
Hello.
Ruchi. Can you hear me?
Absolutely fine.
Okay, so we're having a lot of people joining in, and we will just wait for them to join in. And hi,
Yes.
Priti, welcome. And okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce myself in one or two lines, and we'll get going. And let's see what we can bring to value to all the audience that you have and I have on Instagram. So, my name is
Perfect.
Gemini Dhar. I'm a Take Charge expert and author. I work with women and children. I specialize in helping women entrepreneurs grow their business. And of course, personality development is so important. What you think about yourself, what you believe about yourself, and how you apply those beliefs for your growth is really crucial. And in my journey as a coach, it's from last 6 years that I'm coaching a lot of people, and I'm learning, constantly learning every day. So even this month, this day, today, we are learning. And I meet
Yes.
amazing women, I meet amazing people, I meet men who are very empowering, I meet women who are empowering, and I also meet a lot of people going through trouble, trauma, distress, unhappiness, and anger. So they are angry at something or the other, or they're disturbed about something and they're not able to express, they're not able to share. So my job is to take them through a journey from here to there, what they want to achieve. They come to me for that. Sometimes mothers come to me, they want their children to improve, and I say no, unless and until your child wants to improve, you can't do anything, because you can't force anybody into something.
Right.
So that's been my journey as a coach. And when I'm meeting a lot of similar minded people, act minded people. Hi Ritu, welcome. So we're having a lot of people joining. And yes, so I'm going to talk about this amazing woman who went live on Facebook just the other day, and she broke down into tears because she's had a journey and she has come out a winner. So this is all about winning the game of life, winning emotions, winning hearts, winning people, loving the people, bonding with everybody. So I'm a single woman, I'm divorced, and I went through a lot of challenges. I didn't have the know-how and the tools to, build my marriage back. And by the time I discovered, it was too late. So I moved on, and now I help a lot of people not break up. I help a lot of people live a happier life. And I specialize with women, and I love women like Ruchi Hirani. Ruchi is a couple clarity coach, and she does something really amazing. She's going to talk about it, and I really wanted to bring her today because her energy is contagious. You know what? Whenever you're feeling low, whenever you're feeling down, when you raise your energy, everything changes. You can shatter any ceiling, any wall with your energy. So you know what? When you want to break a glass, when you want to break iron, when you want to do something, you use high energy. You use fire, you use so much energy. And that is what Ruchi is all about. She's full of energy, she's full of positivity, and she's gone through a tough time, but she's come out a winner. And her husband is awesome. Not because the grass at the other side is greener, because I know him, he's been a friend, he's been a colleague, and such an amazing human being. And I didn't know he had a wife who was so power packed. When Ruchi dances, You'll go crazy the way she dances. I can't even move my hand like that the way she dances. So before talking too much, I'm just going to welcome Kajal, Lena.
That's my mom.
Yeah, there are so many Instagram handles. Why exist? Okay, welcome. So, okay, Ruchi, go now. The talk is all yours. Tell me about yourself as a kid, who you were, and how it changed when you got married. Hi, Dipali. Leena's there. Thank you. Tell me, Ruchi. Tell me about yourself.
So, firstly, Gemini, thank you so much for all that words you just spoke about me. It kind of boosted me from here to here. I'm always here, and now because of you, I am like here. I want to like just yell and shout and talk. So, thank you very much. I'm very obliged, and I'm thankful to the universe that it has given me this position to make a difference in people's life, and that is what it is all about. So, I just introduce myself quickly. Hi, this is Ruchi Hirani, mother to this amazing daughter, wife to a superhuman, a lot foodie, a little crazy, but a strong believer. Choreographer turned homemaker turned author, and now I'm a couple clarity expert. I'm a creator and curator of happily ever after lifestyle. So, Gemini, my mission is to help millions of newlywed couples to design the first 5 years of the marriage in a way that they can overcome all the negative emotions by themselves, transform into a powerful couple, and achieve a lifestyle they ever dream about. We as a couple have multiple dreams that we want to live in a particular area. We should have particular car. We should go to particular destination. Anything and everything can be achieved if you and your partner are at the same page. And I help couples to design themselves to align their thoughts, mission, vision in a way that they can achieve whatever they want to. So that's my mission.
So, Ruchi, you know what? In my journey, so many years, meeting a lot of people, not after I became a coach, but even before, I've heard of stories that mothers and fathers save money for the wedding. Okay, they get
Yes.
the kids married, and all you know, in 15 days, they are getting divorced or they are separated. I've seen so many people who've broken up in the first 6 months of their marriage.
Yes.
And these are the people who've been living together for 5 years, 6 years. They've been having an experimental marriage before they got married, and they just break up. And that time I used to not understand what used to happen. But the moment they tie the knot, the expectation levels like triple. So the mother-in-law is expecting something from the daughter-in-law is expecting something from the father-in-law, and the whole family, everybody gets together with expectation of receiving and not
True.
of giving.
True.
So there is one newly wed girl in the family, and that's a whole family who is expecting, "Aaj mera pehla bahu pehla khana banayegi." My daughter-in-law will first, and they welcome. They make you so welcome for the first 15 days of marriage. It's like a ceremony after ceremony, ceremony after ceremony. And the moment the mehndi goes out in our traditional way, once the mehndi goes out, then you are as good as a maid in the house. You know, unfortunately, a lot of women to make it maid ban gayi. So a lot of mindset and a lot of trauma is developed from the way you believe. So the happily ever after story of two romantic people gets into day to day. You know, I'm eating, I'm cooking, I have to do this, I have to take care of father-in-law. He wants more sugar, doesn't want sugar, I want spicy food. Mummy के घर पे ऐसा खाना बनता था, and my mother cooks like this, but my mother-in-law has this recipe. Which do I follow? Right?
This exactly happened with me, Gemini. I'm actually, while you're talking, I can actually picturize whatever went through my head and my life. Just like we say Gordhana, right? That the booking, this partner is ours. So that after that, when I first went to my in-laws, I tasted the vegetable, and I am a very vegetable eating person. I don't like sweets and farsan mist and that kind of, but I like vegetable, and I like it in a particular manner. And I tasted it; it was with sugar. And I actually went out and called my mom, "Mummy, इन लोग तो शक्कर डालते हैं, मैं कैसे शादी करूँ?" So the thought process is so much like that that only the female have to compromise. I will have to sacrifice. Mommy, I will not be able to adjust. They will not change accordingly. But Later on the stage, I realized it was not that difficult. All I had to do is remove my part of the sabzi and add sugar. They still eat their flavor. I still ate my flavor. And
So
we both get
Ruchi,
happy.
so Ruchi, you're talking about practical things that you can do in your day-to-day life to adjust
Yes.
into your in-laws, right? And in
Yes.
return, you are expecting understanding, love, affection, of course,
Yes.
importance, a little
Yes.
praise. But what if you
Yes.
do all this and somebody comes and say you are a rubbish person, you don't know how to cook, you know, this is the way it happens. You're cooking good, but you're not cleaning the house. You go to
Right.
work and you leave the work behind. You get
Right.
really
It happens.
frustrated when you get, this kind of response, and rather than being appreciated, you are criticized.
Right.
And that is the
So,
time you go hunting for your husband's shit. See,
yes.
तुम्हारी मम्मी ने ऐसा बोला, your sister said this to me, this is what is there, I'm doing so much and I am not appreciated. So
Yes.
Ruchi,
Generally,
what is your solution to that?
see, generally, हम लोग बोलते हैं कि जश, दैट्स अ गुजराती वर्ड, आई डोंट नो, यू नो, जश नहीं मिलता, आई मीन अप्रिशिएशन नहीं मिलता है. ऑल द वुमेन कुछ भी कर लो, वी हैव, आई हैड दिस कॉमन कंप्लेंट, कुछ भी कर लो, नो अप्रिशिएशन एट ऑल. See, sometimes, see, do not expect when you are at, think about it, like what I thought and I came over it. I'll tell that experience. What I thought is like, अगर मैं यही चीज मेरी मॉम के घर पे करती, तो क्या मैं एक्सपेक्ट करती कि मेरी मॉम ऑन एंड ऑफ मेरी तारीफ करे या ऑन एंड ऑफ वो चीज को अप्रिशिएशन, रिकॉग्निशन दे कि हाँ तूने किया. शी वुड बी एट द बैक ऑफ द माइंड इन पीस ऑफ द स्टेट के ओके दिस वर्क इज डन, एंड शी विल बी हैप्पी एंड शी विल बी कंटेंट एंड शी विल बी सेटिस्फाइड. दैट इज माई थॉट प्रोसेस, दैट मेरे जितना मुझसे हो सके विद द जॉब एंड ऑफिस, आई विल मेक श्योर दैट माई मॉम इज नॉट वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड विद द वर्क एंड आई डू वट एवर आई कैन. And if I could think about my mom like that, why cannot I think the same thing with my mother-in-law? Just because it's a in-law added to the mother, does that mean that she is a different personality or she is into the different role? Look at this, that you are going into a house where she has been leading the house since 30 years. चलो 30 years पकड़ के लेते, or maybe 25 years. No, that will be too young. I think 30 years is perfect. So she is leading the house. She has, मतलब उन्होंने वो पूरा एक रिचुअल, एक रूटीन उनको ढाला हुआ है अकॉर्डिंग टू हर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, हर एक्सपीरियंस, हर लाइफ ट्रेनिंग एंड हर मॉम्स टीचिंग. और आप वॉक इन करते हो एंड मैं एक्सपेक्ट करूं कि अब तुम सब्जी में शक्कर नहीं डालोगे क्योंकि मैं आई हूं और मुझे पसंद नहीं है. that's that's practically a wrong expectation if I keep. So if you are doing a lot of things and still not getting any appreciation, it's okay. It's okay to not get, but all you have to do is you have to make sure that it doesn't affect you, and for that you have to find a way of adding more happy moments in life, like
So,
going out.
so you know what I do when somebody comes to me with a complaint that I'm not appreciated, I'm not loved, I'm not this, it more or less rises from your self-worth. What you think
Yes.
about yourself, how much do
Yes.
you value yourself, and sometimes it's the
True.
ego also. मुझे कैसे बोल सकते हैं, how dare
Right.
me, I'm a CEO of a company, I'm a owner of a entrepreneur of a company, I am this, I am that, I come from this family, I come from such a. So what I believe that we as women, I'm going to talk from the women perception, you can talk from the
Yes.
couple perception. So we as women have these beliefs about us, this ki I am so and so. So everything that you put about I am or I can is a belief. I am strong, I am good, I have a big nose, I have a bad skin, I have acne problem, I am so, I am the best, मैं अपने पापा की लाडली हूँ. How dare you? I'm going to go and tell my father about it. So a lot
True.
of things that are there in your head, you go and apply to other person whom rarely know. So I think
Yes.
it takes at least a month for people to bond with each other. So the first month
More
of
than
your
that,
marriage is
maybe.
about bonding.
More than that.
So if there is a coach or there is a person who is guiding your daughter, your son, your child, because me and my daughter was doing a project in school, and she was doing a project on divorce. Okay, she's very
Okay.
young, but in school they had a project and she picked that up as a project because I have been divorced and I was going through difficult. So she picked up this project, I think 1 year back, and it was about divorce.
Okay.
And she's saying, Mama, this many people in rural areas. So the people in the rural areas are getting more divorce than the urban areas.
Okay.
Because there is
I didn't
more
know that.
abuse, there is more stuff. She just found that fact. I don't know how true it is. But she said, Mom, why is it? So I said, from my experience, we invest in upgrading our car, we invest in upgrading our mobile, we invest in upgrading every gadget in the house. We have a AC servicing guy coming home. But do you upgrade and service your marriage relationships? No.
True. No,
You
we
just
don't.
build the anger, you just build the emotions, the hurt, you store it. If you're a new daughter-in-law, you will not speak up. And after 6 years, you start yelling. Who the hell do you think? I've tolerated so much in life. I don't care. Now I'm going to do what I want. So we just store all the hurt, and that results to a very, very damaging foundation of a beautiful relationship. So
Yes, it
after
is.
maybe 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years, when you are strong, when you're in the position to answer back, give back, it all comes as a revenge.
Revenge.
इसने मुझे ये बोला था, इसको मैं दिखाऊंगी.
And it all is always stored in the back of your hard disk. And then you use that memory file.
I really want to talk about how do you deal with negative emotions, whether you are not married, whether you're going to get married, you are married, or you're married and separated. There is a negative emotion because any separated woman or a single woman is also part of a family where a new daughter-in-law is coming.
Yes.
I'm going to have a daughter-in-law soon, you know, when my son goes up.
Soon?
Yeah, I would have soon. I think my son is going to grow up. The years are going to fly, you know, the 5 years and 6 years are flown. So when my son gets married, I'll get a daughter-in-law. But I'm a single woman with a thought process. Very, very independent, very, very strong. If I'm going to apply everything that I have on my daughter-in-law, she'll be crushed.
Yes, I will assure you that.
Trust, you know, because
yes,
that I have to. This is a new flower, just a budding person, just new.
Yes.
So I learned cooking when I got married from my husband because I married a Kashmiri, and my Gujarati cooking was of no use. The thepla khakra didn't work here. I learned cooking, and I learned everything after my marriage, which I excelled in couple of years.
Right.
If they wouldn't have been patient, I wouldn't have worked hard on that. That would have not worked out. You know,
very true, very true.
Is we put pressure to a person who is newly come into our house. So whether you are going to get married, whether you are a daughter-in-law, whether you are a sister-in-law, whether you are a mother-in-law, whether you are mother, brother, whoever you are part of a family, right? So how does a family wipe out the negative emotions about each other is what I want you to stress on. So first, Ruchi, I want you to share your story, which you broke down the other day. It's not about somebody committing suicide out of depression, but somebody to learn that how negative emotions can take you to a very, very bad space. And it is important to deal with it today, not tomorrow. If you have a bad moment, if you have a bad thought, if you have a bad emotion, it has to be worked on today.
Yes.
So share, Ruchi, go ahead.
So the other day I was talking about postpartum depression that I went through immediately after the C-section, the hormonal. It's very common. People are not aware of. People are not very educated about. But it's very common. Even I wasn't aware until me and Jeet googled it out. What is actually happening? So Gemini, from right from the childhood, I have been brought up as a son. My dad always have seen a son in me, that you have to be strong. You are a very strong person, Ruchi. So for that, they have put in a lot of social skills in me by putting me in various platforms like elocution, you name it, and I have done it. Right from karate, skating, elocution, drawing, painting, anything, I have done it. And because of that, I have been always portrayed myself as a very strong personality. Okay. So now what happened in back of the mind, I was like, see, I am a very strong person and I am not able to accept that I am hitting a depression phase. So that too identity is crashing in my head. It's just fighting. Okay, no, Ruchi, you are strong. No, something is wrong. Something is happening. This is not what I am. And I go and talk to my dad. I was firstly 15 days, I did not talk a word about it to anybody with the fear of getting a label of too weak ho gayi hai after pregnancy, which I didn't want, because it's been 30 years, someone is telling me you are strong, and suddenly in 15 days they come up and tell me, "Arey, tu kamzor ho gayi baby ke baad, aise nahi hota hai, don't go weak, it's okay, it's because of the responsibilities." But no, I knew that it was something more. So 15 days I did not talk to anybody. Then I approached my dad and exactly the same thing happened. Are tumharo chokro, sorry for the Gujarati.
You are
Are
my
you are
son.
my you are my son. Don't do like that. It's come on, it's a phase, it will go. And he ignored it. So I also started again telling me that okay, I'm strong. This is something which will pass, but it didn't pass. And then the traumatic nightmares that started coming in, it was something which I couldn't even I don't even want my enemy to relive it because it was very, very heart wrenching. And then I talked to my partner. Jeet came into the picture. He never judged me. He never ever uttered a word about my weaknesses. He asked me what is happening. He noted the symptoms like a doctor, and he went home and googled it because we have to stay in our mom's place, no, early months of pregnancy. So he went home, he googled it, and then he called me, and then he spoke to me about for an hour or so. And then he made me realize that you're going through a medical condition which needs to be treated, but it's very okay. We'll talk about it. Next morning, he gave me a call. He showed a concern to wake me up and told me go for a sun bath. And I was like, this is going to help me for depression. Are you crazy? And I yelled at him because I was in that phase. I cried. I was like, you don't care for me. You're making fun of me. And then he's like, do you trust me? And I said yes. And I did what he said. And 15 days, I am out of depression. Or maybe I'm on the way of out of depression. And from that day, I have a belief that it's your relationship, it's your partner whom you have to trust first thing and who you have to kind of build. You have to create a base. They should know you at your rawest state and then they will be able to help you with the weakest state. So
So,
that is the belief system that I have developed from that moment.
so Ruchi, in your case, you are very fortunate that you have a partner who has the
Yes,
understanding or who
yes,
knows the know-how of how to help you, right?
yes,
A lot of people that I meet honestly have the major problem with themselves. I don't say that
yes,
you cause trouble for yourself, but unknowingly you have a belief system and you have a filter about your in-laws. I have Dipali online, and she is a newly mother-in-law, and
oh,
she's a
okay.
coach. Dipali Narula from Delhi. She's a coach
Yes.
and she knows. So the way she will treat her daughter-in-law is completely like a cocoon baby. You know, she will know that this is a newborn family member and I have to nurture this and I have to grow and this is going to be the fruit-bearing tree of my family. I have to nurture the seed. But
Right.
unfortunately, due to some traditional beliefs that daughter-in-law is supposed to make the tea, she's supposed to clean this, she's supposed to do that, which can be easily replaced by maids and services that you can afford
Of
by
course.
making a little bit more money. So a lot of negative emotions build up. So what I
Yes.
believe is that negative emotions come from over expectation from the other person, lack of
Yes.
communication. When the communication is not there, you may make 4 cups of tea, but the other person would not like a sip of it.
Right.
Game over. So you are
Game over.
serving something what the other person does not want.
Not want. Right.
You're
Right.
making you're
True.
making the best dish that which takes 4 hours, but the other person is looking for a simple salad.
Yes.
So the miscommunication, right?
Right.
And Dipali, you're completely
But
right.
Gemini,
Nurturing relationships must must remain an endeavor by all involved. Yes, Dipali, I completely agree that. And how many people do understand that? See, I think a
yes, that
huge
is the
gap.
thing I wanted to tell right now. Gemini, what happens is like Dipali and you are saying right now, but as a daughter-in-law, what I face, miscommunication तभी होगा जब communication comes into picture. यहाँ पे it's expected that you are a daughter-in-law, you're supposed to know this. 15 days into the marriage and I was expected to run the house where I haven't even cooked a single roti in my pre-marriage phase. So यहाँ पे miscommunication doesn't come in, यहाँ पे no communication comes in. So I would request everybody to open up and talk. That is what I think the first solution would be, and
So,
then
so between you
communicating it
and
right way.
So between you and me, point number one, to remove negative emotions and to work on your own emotions. Forget the others. When you
Others.
are sorted, you can sort a billion things. So first
True.
thing is communication, and communication does not mean just talking and discussing and
Yes.
having family meetings. It can be a one-to-one conversation. It is the love and care you show. It is the kind of
Yes.
appreciation you go. So if you like something in the new house, appreciate it. Show
Yes.
clearly that, mom, you have handled this, mom-in-law, this is what you've done amazing, and I love this about yourself. So I have had a
Yes.
very not so great, an average relationship with my mother-in-law all the years, but I
Hmm.
remember the yummy food that she used to make. I used to praise. And when I used to come from work, there have been times when I didn't have anything to eat, when the things in the house were all messed up. I had to come and make my own food in spite of the maids being there. But there have also been some good times when I come home and I get a platter of lovely food ready, and I used to come home and eat, and that used to be so fulfilling, because I used to be
Yes.
dying of hunger. I used to be tired, stuck in traffic, coming home and finding ready food. It was like a luxury,
It's
because
a
in my mom's
blessing.
house I was served from the oven to the plate. I didn't even have to wait for it to cool down. So I was
Yes.
so pampered with my mom that when I came into my in-laws, I did find that kind of pampering, but that was occasional. And then
Okay.
lot of expectations started coming in, and miscommunication, and then the power happened. I was the independent lady, was handling the house, handling business, handling home. So my way of dealing with things was different, and she was her own. She had come and
She
stayed with
had
us.
to.
So we were a
Right.
joint family. And when we became a joint family, we had our own egos. I
Yes.
agree. There has been egos, and that caused a lot of bad emotions and lack of understanding. And then the mountain kept on piling up. So every time I used
Right.
to see something, I used to see from a point of view, she means to do this to me. She wants to
Yes.
show me down. She wants to do this to me. And I was
Happens.
so wrong. She didn't understand me. She didn't understand what it took to go to a business and work morning to night,
Yes.
handle children. She was not going through it, so she couldn't. I should have opened up and said, Mom, I get tired. I am diabetes. I'm not well today. This is the problem. I haven't slept the whole night, and I have to go to work. My kid has got fever, and my husband is having a bad time with me. I had nobody to speak to.
Yes. But then it's important, and you did it very right way, that you worked on yourself. That's the key to solving any problems, that work on yourself, remove that toxicity from within, and I think you will be able to clearer the skies, and you will be able to see a brighter blue color in the sky. This happened with me, Germany, and trust me, it took months. I will not lie about it. It just didn't happen overnight. But when I took an initiative, I took my baby step and followed a system. It's 100% proven system that I have been following since 2008, 2019 June. I remember very well. I have been seeing changes, Germany, and it works wonder. You
So
just have to take baby steps and be consistent.
So
That's it.
when you talk about baby steps, I'll tell you what exactly I did. So we have Anish joining. Hi, Anish. This is not for you. This is for married women and women that I know. You meet of amazing women and you help, Anish. And thank you for joining. It's such a pleasure to have you there. So Anish has joined us, the young guy. Let's not scare him. So Anish, when you have a wife, this is going to be really powerful for you. So you know what? What I believe is that I have learned this theory from Afin, that is six tanks. Every human being has got six tanks, and 80% of the time it is a clash of significance. The mother wants to
Yes.
be loved and feel important. The wife wants to be loved and feel important. And in beach mein, I will not say bichara pati, but bichara husband is there. And it's not exactly that, but they don't know. Men are not very expressive. So they don't
Yes.
know whom to support. And we are looking for support. You talk
Yes.
for me. You tell her this. I will tell her that. The mother is telling the husband. The wife is telling the husband, and
Yes.
he is left with no choice to run away from the house. So that's what
Yes.
Afin says. A lot of men after marriage start spending a lot of time outside the house. They don't come back from business. They get too busy with work, or they get into drinking, smoking, partying, and they want to have their pleasure outside, because the home has become like a war zone.
Yes, but for me, Gemini, I was very clear in that terms that I never wanted Jeet to, because I had seen it in my family. I knew that I will not let my husband be the human sandwich. So I always told him that I don't want you to utter even a word or even a single facial expression. Just hear me out. And I think for all the men on the call, your females don't want you to wear all that Bahubali suit and go there and be Rajmata, hum tumhare liye ladke aayenge. Nobody wants that, man. Just hear your woman out. And what guys do is like they feel irritated. क्या यार फिर बोलने बैठी अरे सिर्फ बोलने ही बैठी है ना just I mean giving a ear will always help and that what helped in my case so that
Right.
is a very good topic.
So what happens, Ruchi, is that now that we come to the second part of what we are discussing is one that you accept, then you understand the thanks. You understand what the person wants. Some people want love and care. Some people want
Yes,
adventure. Some people want significance. Some people want,
growth,
to contribute in your
growth.
life. So let's say
Yes,
somebody, so a negative emotion can build up to a level that it can destroy your life,
yes,
right? And the easiest way is like we service our car, we service our everything in our life, we upgrade our mobiles, we upgrade our life, a lifestyle, we go and buy a new house,
yes.
buy a new
New
mansion,
house.
a new car. What do you do about your relationship? What do you do about the people
You
around
don't buy a
you?
new relationship. You don't
Right?
buy a new husband.
Yes, you can't have a new. Of course, a lot of people can. I can, of course, have a new relationship now, but coming to the serious level, you can't
Yes,
do a lot more.
you
And
can't.
what you have, if you nurture, that's going to be your foundation. That's going to be your building block. So when you come
Yes,
across a negative emotion, it's like fungus.
yes,
If you don't clean it, it's going to grow to a level that it's going to be part of each and every area of your life. And not
yes.
because we've lost a very famous personality to something. I don't know
No,
what happened to him. And I don't want
true.
to judge. I don't want to judge that this happened, that happened, that happened. Something happened.
Right, something
And there
happened.
has to be a root cause for it. It
Yes,
became so big, it was not treated properly, it was not taken care of properly. So then a lot of people said, so many friends on social media, but you are alone. No,
yes.
you are
We're not
alone even if you
alone.
have 50 family members sitting next to you. Have you had
Yes,
that feeling? You go to a wedding and you're sitting on a chair and you're feeling, मैं यहाँ क्या कर रहा हूँ? I don't know anybody in this wedding. When you go to business weddings or family weddings
yeah,
where you are
yes,
not very social, then you feel lonely, you feel lost,
yes,
and you feel ये मेरे
yes,
साथ बात नहीं कर रहा, ये देख नहीं, nobody's talking to you, and you feel
yes.
lost, and you avoid going to such areas.
Yes,
But
and then also
eventually,
the negativity piles up because then you start the empty mind is a devil's workshop. So then, are he is judging me, she is seeing the way I am I not looking good? Is wrong way my hair? And that all then the self worth comes into picture. Maybe I'm not right. I'm not looking good. I'm not valuable. So that all builds in
so you've
when
heard
you
about
feel
Ruchi,
lonely.
you've heard about detox. Have you heard about detox?
Yes, I have heard about
So
detox.
like we detox everything in our life, like we clean everything in our life, every day you should detox your emotions. You should
Yes,
clean the negative ones and replace them. So a lot of people have got childhood trauma. They've got some
yeah.
like पति ने थप्पड़ मार लिया या सास ने ताना
Hmm.
दे दिया, she just said something to you, or a friend of
Yes,
yours just criticize you. This is a yucky dress you're wearing, not looking good. Why you use red lipstick? It doesn't look good on you. And that
yes.
stays
You
with you. The next
forever.
thing and next thing. And then you know what you say? I hate her.
Hmm.
I dislike this person. I can't
Yes.
stand this person. That is
Yeah.
because you have not done your emotional detox. So when I'm
Yes.
doing my working with women entrepreneurs, there is a time where we sit down and we really, really detox the emotions, bring out all the negatives, bring out, write down, write,
Right,
write, write,
right
write.
down. Even
And
I
then
have a
learn the
rant
truth about it.
process for my couple clients. So when there are couples in front of me, we have a rant where we are yelling and we are like pulling out all that negativity and we are shouting it and giving it to the universe so that we are empty to have a positive vibes in us. So we also follow that.
So yes, I mean, see all the tools that are there to do something. See, when you have to cook, you will use vegetables, you will use masalas, and then you will cook it on a stove, or you will bake it, or you will microwave it, right? So there are
Right.
some basic tools. Similarly, in coaching, like you and me both know, there are some similar tools, and you can use this to completely detox. So it is important for women, men, older people, younger people, and children. Children should know how to vent
No.
out their emotions, because we say,
Yes.
Rona mat, don't do this,
Ha.
don't be a crybaby, don't do this, don't talk like that, don't be loud, don't yell, don't
Yes.
scream. But once in a while, you should let them. It's called
Yes.
verbal vomit. It's also called cleaning your emotions. It is also
Emotions.
called, in the process of NLP, it is reframing, restructuring your negative emotions to positive. So I always tell people, if this is negative, how do you make it positive? If this is a negative sign, how do you make it positive? Just by adding this.
Just adding us. Yes.
But you need to understand and identify that that
What
negative
is
emotion
negative?
is in you, not in
Yes.
outside world.
Yes.
Whatever
It's
I
true.
am holding is here.
Yes.
So if I'm looking at a beautiful world, it is here. If I'm looking at an ugly world, it is here. If I'm looking
Yes.
at a person I'm hating, it is here. And if I'm looking at a person I'm loving, it is here.
Here. True.
Mindset, the way you look at things, the filter. If I take off these glasses, everything is blurred for me. But does that mean that this thing is not blurred? I mean, this is blurred? No.
No.
I just need to have clarity. I just need to have the right tools to look at things where I can change. So I
Right.
believe negative emotions are like poison.
Yes.
Don't plant poison seeds, you know. So Ruchi, share a little bit more about the kind of couples that come to you. I work with a lot of women who's got abused, who are unhappy, and it's a whole long story, but I want this to be like a happy and a chirpy thing. So if I had a couple clarity coach, and I invested in my marriage, and I got my marriage to a particular, what are the benefits? What will be good about it? Why should I have you?
So this feels like an interview.
Why not?
So,
I mean, if I'm
yes, yes, of
communicating
course, and
with
I
you since
want
you
to use
care.
this opportunity to be out there. See, for Indians, we have that belief system that if I'm falling in love or if I'm marrying with a person, if it is meant for me, it will work. It has to work. Otherwise, it is not meant for me. So people do not work for their marriages and expect the marriage to work back for them, which is not at all absolutely possible. So there are two mindsets that we work upon: a fixed mindset versus the growth mindset. Okay, so what couples think is like everything should fall in place once they are together. वो जन्मों जन्मों का साथ हो गया, अब सब ठीक हो जाएगा. No. So when you come to me, what I do is firstly I kind of individual coach you. I need to know where currently you both are at. Sometimes there's this funny thing. One of the couple came to me and I just asked randomly without even starting the process, how is your communication pattern right now? How do you rate your communication? The wife says, "Are very nice. We are very good at communicating." And the husband is like, "When did we communicate last? I think we are not good at communicating." So there only you come to know the difference. See, if you imagine a marriage car, okay, so you are your husband or you are either of you are in the front seat and somebody is at the back seat. If the car's wheels are not aligned to each other, how will it work? It will not work. It will give you a nice grumpy ride and you will be irritated, messed up the entire journey of life. Now, what I do is I firstly show them that firstly accept what is the reality and where you guys are currently at. And then what I do, bring the slow changes and then get aligned to each other so that they can enjoy the ride with a better pace. Once you are aligned to each other, once you know each other's expectation, each other's need, you know what and how to fulfill them. If you are not communicating, there are couples who come to me है उसको समझना चाहिए ना, अरे हस्बैंड है कैसे समझेगा, आपको बताना चाहिए था, वो समझ जाएगा. And husband is like, I do everything what she wants, and the wife is complaining that he never does what I want. So there the differences are. And the most important thing is clarity and communication. Rest, everything will follow. So basically, I have designed a 10 commandment system, Gemini, where I will actually help them sort the minute problem or issues and make them their relationship work. And then we have rituals, the 10-minute ritual. Every day, 10 minutes you have to. Actually, for the couples who are with me currently in my community, I make it a 1 hour ritual. So 24 घंटे में से अगर आप 1 घंटा भी अपने पार्टनर को नहीं दे सकते हो, so what is that relationship even value?
Nothing.
Why did you even marry that person if you don't have time for the person? Right? So when I start to it, it's always a 10-minute daily talk. So every day, 10 minutes, I don't know when, how, why. Even you want to go to toilet together, go there, sit there, talk. I don't mind to have two potties in your place. Then I have a weekly date your partner. Every week you need to date your wife, you need to date your husband, surprise, romance, create. I don't know how. You have ideas, I will give you ideas, we'll do it together. And then we have Talk It Out Tuesdays. Monthly, one Tuesday you pick up and talk it out, whatever changes. See, as a person, you, me, even if I meet you after a month or so, or maybe you meet me, you will find a little change in me. Because as a person, even if we grow or we fail, we change. Either ways, we change. And that change needs to be communicated. You keep on changing, your partner will love you and treat you the way you were, and then you are like, मेरा partner change हो गया. This is अक्सर कंप्लेंट विद द पार्टनर, शादी के बाद वो चेंज हो गए हैं, वो मेरे को पहले जैसा प्यार ही नहीं करते. अरे बट देन यू आर ऑल्सो हैव चेंज, नो, योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हैव एडेड, you have changed. Did you communicate? No. So this is how the 10 commandments work, where we work upon their communication, clarity, compatibility, compassion, copulation, condoning, companionship. There are like a hell lot of technical terms, but I don't want to scare the people out. But this is a lot of fun than you think. And if you work for a relationship, my God, you guys have no clue how beautiful your marriages would work.
So Ruchi, this is like an encyclopedia for everybody watching, because not everyone knows the nitty-gritty of coaching and how you can really empower. And that's rightly said. So I had one client who used to come to me and say, my in-laws are like this are that, because of that I can't work, there is no support from house, they don't understand me, this, that. So I said, tell me 5 things that your husband loves. She could not pen down. Tell me 5 things that your father-in-law loves. She could not pen down. Tell 5 things that your sister-in-law would love. She could not pen down. So when you are all about me, mera, my, then unfortunately you are always hurt and you are always looking for things that are not right. So it also depends on where you are focused and where you're going. So Ruchi, I don't know how many minutes we've been on, but we'll take in the last discussion, which is very, very close to my heart.
Please.
A lot of women and a lot of couples have negative emotions regarding money.
Right.
Husband will earn, wife will spend or take care of it, or both husband and wife will earn, but wife will not spend her money, only husband will take care of the house. Or both of them will earn, who is earning more will have more authority in a relationship. This has created rift, this has created anger, this
havoc.
has created
havoc in relationship.
Tell me a little bit about how you manage funding in your relationship.
So initially, when I got married, my father-in-law had lung cancer, and he wanted me to take care of the house because mother-in-law was very much busy into his health. So there was nobody to look up to the house. So I completely chopped off my job and my business altogether, and I became financially dependent on Jeet, which took around a year for me to digest. Firstly, I was not able to accept the fact that मैं ऐसे करूँ ही कैसे, ये ज्यादा लंबा आ रहा था मेरा हाथ से. सो वो डाइजेस्ट करना ही सबसे पहले होता है. देन आई चेंज माई माइंडसेट दैट ओके, ही इज माई फैमिली, and there the first step started of financially combination of Ruchi and G. And now what we do is, we have a planner, we have set our visions, our financial goals are aligned with each other, and then we have divided the responsibilities, not in a way that if even if I stop earning for some of the reasons, there would be not much difference in our marriage life in a way. So he bakes the cake and I am the icing over the cake. So even if you eat the cake without the icing, you will still enjoy the cake but you feel that okay, the icing is missing, but the cake is still there. We do not have, and then it's equally important. Even if I just earn the icing, without cake the icing is of no value, and to make the cake look prettier, icing is equally important. So we have that always back in of our mind that हम दोनों एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं एंड कॉम्पीट नहीं करते. We are kind of jigsaw puzzle. The kind of inputs you put in and the kind of inputs I put in will make a better future. And I have a lot of dreams. I want a jacuzzi bathroom and all that stuff in my next house. So we are having, like, literally we have that planned vision of our life. We have a vision board in our house where his dreams and my dreams are combined, and we are walking on a path to achieve it. And that is only possible if we are together in this as a strength. Agar if it was me versus him, we would always end up clashing. So it is me and him versus the world. So that makes our relationship even more powerful, and that comes with the financial interdependency and
So
not independency.
I like to end this Instagram live today about how to get rid of negative emotions. Is first, you need to know where the emotions are coming from. If you are hurt,
Yes,
if you're unhappy, if there is a problem, there is a lot of other underlying factors, of course, but you need to understand they are coming from within. It's not coming
within.
from outside to in, it's coming from inside to out. Like we discussed in our FB live, that when I praise you a lot, it will take you some time to take the praise. But if
Praise.
I
Yes.
criticize you or if I demean you, it takes 1 minute to get hurt. So it is
Yes.
what you allow that happens to you. You need to take charge of your belief system. You need to take charge of what you are thinking about yourself. Because the moment you think something about yourself and you want to keep yourself mentally and physically healthy, you will not let any fungus, any bad thing, or any poisonous thing enter. So, like, you will not eat anything which is rotten, you will not eat anything which is poisonous, and you will not take anything that can really damage or kill you. Similarly, don't take in thoughts and ideas and other people's judgment into your life,
Yeah.
and lead a life of expectation and aim and fame, which is superficial.
Yes.
Feel it, get up in the morning, tell yourself, I'm awesome. Anything that
Yes.
makes you less awesome is out of your life, out of your mind. Daily
Yes.
detox is important. Have a
Important.
2 a.m. friend whom you can call in the middle of the night. Have people who are honest with you, who will tell you the truth and
Yes.
not just
Truth.
praise you. Because
Truth.
fake people can give you a fake picture. It's like,
Yes.
a dream world. You're watching a virtual
Yes.
movie and then you come out and there is nothing. So don't
Nothing.
have fake people or virtual friends. Have real core friends. And I
Right.
believe a person is not alone. If he will give, he will get.
He will receive.
Give
Yes.
and contribute to other people's life. How can you be alone?
Yes. Yes. The feeling
If I
of
have
that
Ruchi with
contribution
me,
itself is fulfilling.
so if I have Ruchi with me, how am I going to be alone?
Never.
No, I can call you at 2 a.m. in the night. And why? Because your vision and my vision somehow don't match. You want to
Yes.
contribute, I want to contribute. You work with humans, I work with humans. We have a common bond. Like that,
Yes.
I have more than 400, 500 friends now. We have Rita Shah with us. Don't you think we
Yes.
can? Last night we were chatting at like 1 a.m. I
12 for, yeah,
12:40, I
12:47.
think, somewhere. So we have so many people. In the middle of the night, I put a Google form, and I'm not technologically savvy, and my son makes it for me, and I share it, and there is a problem. And I get so many messages, can I help? Ye barabar nahi hai, can I help? And I'm like, raat ko 1 baje bhi people are helping me. Wow, Gemini, it's like phone balance. I don't need a Mercedes. I have people who make my life amazing.
Yes.
And
Very
that is
true.
what will cut your negative emotion. That is what will give you power and strength to just transform, anybody's
Talk of
life.
the darling, and the darling is here. Hi, Dr. Rita Shah.
And I really feel very, very blessed. I have a
Yes.
tattoo over here which says I am blessed. And this is a
Wow.
tattoo when I made when I was going through the most difficult part in my business, not my relationship. There was a complete shutdown and there was a huge downfall in my business, and I was feeling worthless, useless. I want to feel one thing. When your business does not do good,
I
when
missed
work
you.
does not do good, don't let those negative emotions, because you are not what your business is. You are the person who your mother and father gave birth to. You are the human being that you can change anything anytime you want to. So don't let your business rule your identity. You are doing your business, you are good, you will get medals, you get recognized, you may be in the Forbes cover, but that's not who you are. You are the human being who can make a difference, who can change, who can have a mindset. So Ruchi, you've been amazing. I just love your energy, and we are blessed to have such amazing people in our life, and I can only thank God.
Yes, and adding on the closing note and adding to whatever you have said, the list of things you have added up. Just one more thing for all the couples who are there, for all the wives or husbands who are on this call, strengthen your relationship, guys. Invest in your relationship. Have a coach. Invest in a couple clarity coach and see how your relation gives you back. Trust me, you'll never if you have a strong relationship. It has worked for me. I am a very live example of it. I am very, very sure it will work for you as well. So, guys, follow us on Dhar.Gemini and Ruchi07. And there would be a lot of life coming up. So, I think let's stay connected even more. So, I
God
repeat
bless you.
the
God
Insta
bless you,
handles.
Ruchi.
It is
Thank you for
Dhar
coming.
Joy. I
You
was
are
just repeating the
amazing.
Insta handles. No, I
I'm
was just
only
repeating the
happy
Insta
for you.
handles.
Thank you for being there. And guys, you need to take charge of your negative emotions. It is like a fungus. If you let it stay on you, it's going to give you havoc. Sometimes you can lose a part of your body, you can lose something in your life because you've not taken time and you've not taken charge at the right time. So today is the time. Just have a detox. Write down all your negative emotions. Whatever you feel hurt, whatever you did, just tear it and throw it. This is a very simple thing which you will get on Google also.
Best thing.
But a lot of people don't do it. So let's do it, and let's change our negative emotions, remove them and replace them with something amazing. I'm awesome, I'm strong, I'm beautiful, I can do anything. I can empower a billion people, and I'm the queen of my life. Do whatever you want to, guys. Thank you for joining in, and thank you, Ruchi. Bye.
Thank
See you.
you. Thank you
Looking
guys for
forward
joining
for
in.
you
Thank you,
joining
Gemini,
us
for
on
having
Instagram
me
live.
here. Bye bye.
Bye, darling. Bye. Thank you.